Madali lang pala. Hindi ka ba techie? Feeling mo ba ang hirap i-manage ang business gamit ang cellphone or computer? Maybe you can relate to my coaching client na si Minda who owns a pasalubong shop. During our session, pansin ko pagod na pagod siya. And as it turned out, araw-araw kasi pag uwi ng mga tourist, kailangan niyang magbilang ng lahat ng items, yung mga keychain, t-shirt, dried mango, lahat. It would take them time to count everything. Tapos minsan kulang o sobra pa ang tali. Now, one of her helpers suggested that they use an app to make things easier and efficient. Pero alam mo ang sagot ni Minda? Naku, mahirap yan. Baka hindi ko maintindihan. Tsaka baka may bayad pa yan. And I told her that her helper had a point. She realized that she's always busy counting. Wala na siyang time para sa customers or paghanap ng bagong products. And so she gave the app a try. Simple lang pala. Nag-download sila ng inventory app. And she happily told me, dati, ubus oras. Ngayon, saglit lang, tapos na. O diba anak? You'll never know until you try it. So eto yung lesson. Hindi naman lahat ng technology ay complicated. There are some simple tools that can make your work lighter. Kaya huwag matakot subukan. Minsan yung mga kasama mo sa trabaho ay may magagandang ideas. Kaya anak, maging open sa bagong paraan. Subukan mo muna bago mo i-reject. Be business-minded. Pinoy.